Namaste. Welcome to Such Conversations Matter. Conversations that represent the future we should have. I'm your host, Saurabh Nanda. Today's guest is Dr Itishree Mishra. She is one of India's pre-eminent psychometricians. What's a psychometrician? Psychometrician is a person who designs those psychometric assessments which you might have taken during your school, college, or even during your job application. Now, I met Dr. Itishree Mishra in 2012 when I actually switched over from the IT industry and moved into the education industry. She was one of my first mentors in the education industry, and it is because of her encouragement that I actually went forward and pursued Masters in Psychology. Dr. Itishree Mishra has more than 25 years of experience in counseling students. She has counseled more than 100,000 students, 1 lakh students all across the country in thousands of schools. She's actually set up schools. She's worked with NGOs. She regularly is an advisor on various panels across the country, both private and public organizations. And Dr. Itishree and I, when we used to travel all across India, going to high schools, counseling students, we used to have these long conversations during our train journeys, during our taxi journeys, and we would discuss about the behavior of students, behavior of educators, teachers, parents, and I wanted to bring some of those conversations to you so that you understand what psychometrics are, how you should use them, where you should use them, how to identify the right one, and so on. So without wasting any more time, hello Dr. Itishree Misra, how are you?